So today I have with me Manmohan Singh, who has cleared his IELTS in first attempt. So first of all, congratulations,
Thank you,
Manmohan.
ma'am.
I want to ask you that how was your experience here at Sehaj Coaching Center?
When I joined Sehaj Coaching Center, that experience was very great for me because I also learned so many things. Like if I had any kinds of queries in my mind, I cleared all the things at here.
How was your experience with the staff? Were they helpful?
Like they all are very well educated and they don't have any that kind of things that they don't teach you wrong in a way. So they are very good in nature.
And one last question. Like you take smart classes every week with us. How helpful are they? Very
Like
helpful or slightly helpful?
these are very helpful. Like I also clear my all doubts with the help of these things. Like they're also very beautiful era. Like in that it is a different about other traditional classes. So it is very interactive classes.
Thank you so much. And do you have any opinion for our viewers? Like, what do you
Like
want to
I will
suggest?
recommend to everybody that join Saj Coaching Center and bright their future.
Thank you so much, Manmohan.
Thank you, ma'am.